Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our new topic, that is a go statement. Go statement is nothing but in Selenium we have like a forward and backward directions, right? The similar format here also, the similar format is presented. Okay, we can able to say go forward and go backward. Go forward and go backward is nothing but in a browser history, whenever you doing something, you can able to click one history. It is if you are using for go back means it will go for the history and it will one step back, which is you open old one, that will go for old version. Forward means it will back again, which is a page you open the recently, that page it will come back. Means now this is my home page. Now if I'm clicking my register button. Now I'm in a register page. If I click, this is a go back. Okay. You can see here also, when you mouse over there, it will see, right? Click, go back, hold to see the history. It will go for in the history one step back. That is home page. If you click forward, it will come from one and a history. This is a one case. By using these conditions, we can able to in the Cypress we have the future is go command. That is a go command we can able to use. We can able to navigate one place to another place like traveling. Okay, how we can able to achieve? Can use reference types Cypress close references reference. Okay. Now here I'm going to create for describe is my method for creating our title. We need to create the title, right? For this we need to create the title, and in this title we can able to declare here single quotation our title, that is go command, and I'm going to create the function, then I'm going to using for braces. Here I'm going to it is the test case creation. Okay, this all the things I explained in the basic time. You can go ahead back and forward cases, and again I'm going to create for my function. Okay, here we are going to handling our browser. This is our browser navigation purpose, and I'm going to take it for home page one. The home page URL, I'm going to copy this URL, and again I'm coming here. Here I'm going to use for CY. CY is opening the Cypress, and here is that visit is a method to visit our URL. Okay, and once we done the URL here, we can able to do it here to clicking purpose we need to see, right? And we can able to use it here cy dot get is a method to handling our elements. What element? Once we come here, we need to check which title also presented, right? Before clicking our registration, we can able to say here verify title page. Which page we are presented, that title we need to use it. How we can able to use means cy dot title. Title is a method, it will carry our title. Okay, then we can able to use should method. Should is a we can able to validate whether it is equal our title or not. For this we can able to eql equal, this all the things we can able to use it. Any method we can able to use. Then I'm going to use for eq, then comma and title. What title we need to use here? Our title is welcome Mercury to use. How we can able to identify this is the one is presented means just here in any page we can able to right click and inspect. You can click inspect. Now once we inspect in a header section after HTML there is a header section, and here you can able to see there is a title tag. In this we will come Mercury. Okay, this is our title. Then I'm going to copy pasting here. Okay, once we verified here, then what we need to do, click register link. For link clicking we need to take here registration place, and we need to inspect. Once we inspect here we can able to see this is our hyperlink. Okay, even we can able to two ways we can able to consume. One is mouse over and able to take for copy, select path selector, and notepad we can able to open notepad. And here we can able to copy paste. You can see our XPath is presented like CSS path is presented like this. Okay, and other than that, how we can able to click it means we can able to see any related item is presented in our case. Here no, here class mouse out is there, but whether it will work or not work we don't know, because our TLS TDs are presented for, see, mouse over mouse out, like that it is there. Okay, we can able to go ahead and see here nothing is there, right? All the places is not presented. Then how to click? We can somewhere something we can able to find, we'll see. This entire path, and is also, and TR, this is a TR, and TD, this is also another TD. Okay, mouse over is there, but class it will not work out because multiple values, then it is very big difficult to handle. And table also not presented any path. There is any related stuff? No, we don't have anything to click here for registration because we are not seen properly identification purpose. Because mouse out is basically it is a different format. We can check whether we can able to do it or not. Mouse out. Okay, and we'll take this class only. Class indication for dot. We can able to class mouse out. Dot is a contains, we can able to use it. Contains is a method we can able to say if there is any value is presented, which is the value we are going to search, because mouse out is most of the places it is presented. Okay, then we can able to use mouse out as multiple value. Okay, and then we can able to see this registration is where presented or not. Then I'm going to using here registration. If registration is presented, then click that particular button. Whether we are able to click this particular one, we will see in that here. npx Cypress open. First, we will see that particular path which we wrote, whether we can able to using what contains we can able to click or not. Then after that, we will validate our go statement. Go command class Now our page is loaded and title clicked, verified, and registration page. We are in registration page. Means successfully we are able to click our registration link. Okay. Then we need to verify our whether we are in registration page or not. Even you can able to see the URL also presented here. Okay. Registration PHP. Once you click, it is comes here. Okay. And we are in expected page presented. Okay. Then we can able to use it and verify our title now. Okay. Again, I'm going to copying this particular path and I'm pasting here. Okay. Whether we are in proper location or not. Once you click registration, it should navigate back to here. Then when you can able to refresh here, you can able to see title of this particular page become register mercury tools. Okay, this is our page. Then we can able to copy paste here. Now we are in a page for first home page and second is registration page. Both the cases verified. Then how to use our go commands. It's like a back and forward direction. Means now I'm going to use for cy dot ago. Okay. Inside I'm going to mention for back. Okay. Now back means again I'll go for home page only. Then whether I'm in home page or not. Go back and verifying for home page. For this I'm going to use for this title. Okay. Now once refresh, you can able to see our method whether it will go back to a home page. Now registration page. Now you can see again it is coming for home page. Even you can able to see mercury tools are satisfied. Now we are able to back. Now can we able to go forward? Yes, we can able to go for back to forward. Then how? Again we can able to use a cy dot forward. Forward is a keyword. Sorry, go forward, back and forward. Single quotation once you given it is until it is provided, we can able to forward choose. Then what will be there in our history? It will go for registration page. We are going to verify here. Okay. Now save, and you can able to see it will reload. This is a main advantage. Parallelly, we can able to do it for both the cases. Now again, you can see assertion is passed. Registration page. Okay, expected is registration securities. It is equal for registration securities. Okay, can we able to do it for by passing for positive and negative value? Yes, we can able to do for go forward and backward direction by using integer and negative value. Okay, integer negative values, negative and positive value. Negative value is nothing but -1. Positive value is means 1. Once you pass is a 1, it will come forward direction. -1, it will go for backward direction. Okay, how we can able to use it forward and backward? I'm copying these two lines. Okay, pasting here. Now our cases will be positive and negative integer values. Numbers. I'm going to use for here -1. Okay, and forward direction I'm going to use it for 1. Okay, now I'm saving here. You can see here now it will take the condition two different kinds. One is string value, that is go back and forward, and you can see here go 1, and if you come little bit go -1. Okay, and you can go a little bit, you can see go forward, and a little bit top and go back. Okay, these are cases we can able to use for forward and backward direction by using a go command. Even we can pass for string value as a back and forward, and even we can able to pass for integer value 1 and minus, and we can able to achieve and we can able to move forward and backward direction by using a history. Okay, go method. That's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.